I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
In this video, I'll show you how exactly you can find unlimited crypto arbitrage opportunities by using Xypher. So, Xypher helps traders to stay up to the crypto market with actionable notifications and insights. Alright, so it offers unlimited arbitrage opportunities and on-chain data. So I'm gonna take you through this platform and show you how exactly you can spot unlimited crypto arbitrage opportunities and everything that you need to know. Alright, so if I go to products right here, you can see that it has bunch of products right here. All right, they have crypto screener, arbitrage screener, chart screener, liquidation screener, and the boss and stuff like that. All right, so you can see that they still have upcoming products that are not available at the moment because this is a new platform and stuff like that, and is doing a great job. All right. So let's start with arbitrage screener right here. So if I click right there, you can see that it's going to show me a bunch of arbitrage opportunities that are actually available right now. Okay, let's take for example hints right here, HNT right here. Okay, so it says that we should buy from FTX at this price and sell to KuCoin at this price. All right, and we're gonna make at least 19%. All right, by taking this crypto arbitrage opportunity. So we all know that FTX is actually the largest crypto exchange, and KuCoin is actually the largest crypto exchange as well. All right, is under top 10 crypto exchanges right now. Okay, just like Binance right here as well, you can actually buy from Binance and sell to KuCoin right here at this price. All right, so let's verify if this is true or false. Okay, so if I go ahead and click where it's written FTX right here, and it's gonna show me FTX crypto exchange with this pair right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close these because I want you to see the price right now. So you can see that the price on FTX is actually $6 right here. Okay, $6.41. And if I go back to our platform right here, which is Xypher, and click where it's written KuCoin right here, because this is where we're going to sell as, right? And you're gonna see that the price on KuCoin is actually $7. All right, so this platform is doing a great job. It's not telling us lies and stuff like that. And as far as I'm concerned, FTX is actually a great crypto exchange. It does not have deposit and withdraw problems. All right, it's not like Get.io and stuff like that. The reason why I'm saying this is because we have experienced a lot of problems when it comes to withdrawing and depositing using Get.io crypto exchange. But KuCoin and Binance are pretty much good exchanges right now. Okay, and FTX is actually one of them as well. So by using these three crypto exchanges, you're not gonna face any problem. All right, so if I take another arbitrage opportunity over here, if I scroll down, you can see that we actually have Shiba Inu as well right here, meaning that you're gonna buy it from FTX right here at cheaper price, which is 12 cents, and sell it to BTX at this price. All right, and you make 3% by using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. All right, and before you take this crypto arbitrage opportunity, you should consider the fees. Check how much you are paying. So we all know that these exchanges offer a lot of chain network and stuff like that, so it's very important to choose a cheapest network that is not gonna cost you a lot of fees. All right, for example, Binance Smart Chain is actually cheapest chain I've used so far. All right, so I recommend you to use those cheap chains and stuff like that so that you're not gonna pay a lot of fees. So this is the platform when it comes to crypto arbitrage opportunities. And if I go back to dashboard right here, let's check something else. Let's say where Sniper. Okay, so where Sniper says get notified when unusual volume is spotted on exchanges. All right, so you get notified whenever there is a big dump or there is a spike on crypto exchanges. All right, it can be Binance, can be Bybit, can be FTX and stuff like that. All right, so if you have no idea of what this is all about, well, I'll give you an example right here. For example, last week we had news right here saying Social's network cleared to sell mined Bitcoin to fund its operation. All right, so they've dumped their Bitcoins to fund their operations and stuff like that. All right, and the question might be where exactly was this done? All right, so looking at on-chain data right here, and this on-chain data is coming from CryptoQuant right here. Okay, And let's check the news right here. This news happened on 17th of August 2022. All right. So if I go back right here on chain data, and I'm looking at Binance Crypto Exchange. We all know that Binance is one of the biggest exchanges in the world and stuff like that. Okay, it's actually number one crypto exchange in the world. Okay, so if I look at Binance right here, you can see that on 17th of August we had volume of 200,000 right here. Okay, and if I go to FTX right here, after FTX Crypto Exchange, and let's go to 17th right here, so you can see that we had 66 million volume right here, okay, within 24 hours, and this was done on 17th of August 2022. All right, meaning that this trade was done on FTX and caused the market to collapse. All right, right here, this dump right here happened because of such as news and Bitcoin that was sold on FTX. All right, so you can spot these events by using this tool again called Where Sniper. Okay, so you will get these notifications whenever there is large amounts of Bitcoin being dumped into this market and stuff like that. So this is it. I just wanted to update each and everyone who is on crypto arbitrage game and stuff like that. For you guys, you are amazing, and I would love to see everyone winning, and you can go ahead and check this platform. I'll leave the link in the description below as well. All right, so if you're new to this crypto channel, make sure you join my Telegram group, because that's where I'm gonna start posting my trade setup ideas and stuff like that. And make sure you subscribe to Heavy Crypto so that you would not miss out any of these good videos and stuff like that. Okay, and next week we are starting our series of leverage tokens, and I'm gonna show you how exactly I managed to get at least 1 Bitcoin from trading leverage tokens. So make sure you stick around to this channel, because there's a lot of good news to come and stuff like that. Okay, so this is it for today's video. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take